In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert videos in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. If you're creating a presentation and you want to make it more engaging, adding a video is one of the best ways to grab attention and explain your content visually. Whether it's a tutorial clip, a promotional video, or a recorded lecture, PowerPoint 2013 makes it simple once you know where to click. So let's walk through the entire process together. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 on your computer. You can open an existing presentation that you're currently working on, or you can create a new blank presentation if you're just practicing. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the slide where you want the video to appear. It's always a good idea to decide in advance which slide works best for your video so your presentation flows smoothly. Now, look at the top of your screen and find the Insert tab on the ribbon. Go ahead and click on Insert. This tab allows you to add different types of content to your slides, such as pictures, shapes, charts, and of course, videos. After clicking Insert, move your cursor to the right side of the ribbon where you'll see the Video option. Click on Video and a small drop-down menu will appear. In PowerPoint 2013, you'll typically see options like Online Video and Video on my PC. Since we're inserting a video that's saved on your computer, click on This device, which may also appear as Video on my PC, depending on your version. Once you click on this device, a file browser window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your video file is saved. PowerPoint 2013 supports common formats like MP4 and WMV, so make sure your video is in a compatible format. Select the video you want to use, then click Insert at the bottom of the window. After you click Insert, PowerPoint will place the video directly onto your slide. You can now click and drag the corners of the video to resize it. Make sure you drag from the corner handles to maintain the correct proportions and avoid stretching the video. You can also click and drag the video itself to reposition it anywhere on the slide. When the video is selected, you'll notice two new tabs appear at the top: Video Tools with Format and Playback options. The Format tab allows you to change the appearance of the video frame. For example, you can add borders, apply styles, or adjust brightness and contrast. The Playback tab is especially important because this is where you control how the video behaves during your presentation. Click on the Playback tab. Here, you can choose whether the video starts automatically when the slide appears or only when you click on it. If you want the video to begin as soon as the slide loads, set it to Start Automatically. If you prefer to control the timing manually during your presentation, choose Start on Click. You can also trim the video if you don't need the entire clip. Simply click on Trim Video in the Playback tab, then adjust the green and red sliders to select the exact portion you want to play. This is very useful if you only need a specific segment of a longer video. Another helpful option in the Playback tab is Loop Until Stopped. This is useful if you're running a video continuously during a presentation booth or display. You can also hide the video when it's not playing if you don't want the thumbnail visible on the slide. Once everything looks good, test your video. Click on the Slideshow tab and then select From Current Slide to preview how the video will play during your presentation. Make sure the audio works properly and that the video starts the way you intended. And that's it. That's how you insert videos in PowerPoint 2013 quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks. Go to Insert, click Video, choose this device, select your file, and adjust the playback settings to fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow PowerPoint tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.